Most people think they need better time management. They don't. They need a system that either plans their time automatically or actually helps them finish the work. That's exactly the difference between Reclaim AI and ClickUp. And after testing both, I realized something simple. They solve completely different problems. So this Reclaim AI versus ClickUp comparison comes down to one question: which one actually saves you 10+ hours per week? Let's start with Reclaim AI. Reclaim is basically an AI calendar assistant. You connect it to Google Calendar and it automatically schedules your tasks, meetings, habits, even breaks. It literally moves things around when your schedule changes. So instead of planning your day, it plans it for you. If a meeting pops up, it reschedules your work automatically. That's where the time savings come from. In fact, users report saving hours every week just from not manually managing their calendar. Now, let's talk ClickUp. ClickUp is a full project management system. Tasks, docs, goals, dashboards, team collaboration, it's all in one place. You can manage projects, assign work, track progress, and even automate workflows. But here's the key difference. ClickUp helps you organize work. Reclaim helps you schedule work. ClickUp doesn't automatically manage your time. You still decide when to do things. Reclaim does that part for you. That's where most people get confused. Now, real-world use. If you're a freelancer or solo creator, Reclaim can easily save you 5 to 10 hours a week just by removing planning and rescheduling. It protects focus time and keeps your day realistic. But if you run a team, agency, or startup, ClickUp becomes more valuable because you don't just need scheduling, you need visibility. Tasks, deadlines, team communication, all in one place. ClickUp is built for that. Now, pros and cons. Reclaim AI is amazing for automation and saving time on planning, but it's not a full work system. You still need another tool to manage projects. ClickUp is powerful and complete, but it can feel overwhelming and it doesn't automate your schedule. So here's the honest verdict. If your biggest problem is time management and calendar chaos, Reclaim AI will save you more time. If your problem is managing work, clients, or a team, ClickUp is the better choice. And honestly, most high-performing people end up using both because one helps you plan your time and the other helps you actually get the work done. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.